Hi guys, George here. I have a little confession to make. I bought this wonderful game, Operation Mercury. Oops, there it is. Sorry for the glare. There it is. And I still have it in the shrink wrap. Now, this is MMP's Operation Mercury, uh, the invasion of Crete. I'm doing this, I believe, because it's the anniversary of the invasion, actually. And it's part of MMP's Grand Tactical Series. There it is. So as soon as I had gotten it, I made a short video that look what I got to that effect. And somebody told me open it up as soon as you can because you MMP may have made some errors. So we'll figure that out. We'll just take a look. And what I like about this is here, beautiful map graphics. And ooh, there we go. Ooh, there we go. Look at those unit counters. I'll show you. Hopefully, I'll show them to you more detail. So let's open up the package. I use carefully an X-Acto knife. Get it out of the shrink wrap. So far, I've had some issues with my home, and it still has survived, despite some major renovations here, just to get the property in livable order. Well, yep. So there goes the shrink wrap. So perhaps now you'll have less glare on the camera. There you go. There it is. Okay, let's open up the box. Look at these wonderful looking dice. Whoa, here you go. Now, honestly, I've never played anything other than 2d6 and 4d6. Here's my wonderful snake eyes. This is not even actually squad leader dice, advanced squad leader dice, because both of them are colored. See, there's my little snake eyes. Right? I love rolling these dice and seeing what I get. I don't know if you can see that. I got a 6 there. Alright. Normally when I play ASL, I'm supposed to have one white dice and one colored dice. I usually use the ones that MMP provided me with, but these are pretty nice. They're Warhammer dice, actually, but I don't play Warhammer. So the next thing up for grabs is Mercury, the Invasion of Crete Grand Series. Thank you for your purchase. There you go. Look at the lovely rule book. Beautiful. Terrain legend. Colored. Smells good too. Just fresh out of the printer. Oh wow. Look at the unit descriptions here. In color. Sorry for the glare. Ooh, there we go. Hold on. There we go. Stukas, JU-88s. And we have the contents. So far, so good. Look, terrain. Explanation of the terrain. Color, glossy. Awesome. Fortified hexes and Greek unit in blue and beige. Allied airstrike and German air support. They're both ME-109s as far as I can see. See that? Ooh, right there. Anywho, parachute drops and landings, Greek route, heroic, allied attachments. So far, I hate to say this, but it looks better than OCS. Let's take a look. The counters, they're all in order. Here's a counter sheet. Look at that. Looks like it's the Allied counter sheet. Pardon the expression, guys. You didn't hear that. Alright. And I believe these are maps. All I can say is, wow. Check that out. And this is more huge than a Canada-wide road map. Look at that. Oh God. Ooh. Yeah, I'm a bit lost here. Huge. Nothing I'm used to. Nothing I'm used to. Allied morale level. Another map. Map. Invasion of Crete. Can Suda map. Oh, there you go. Can. In Greek it's Chania. Chania Susa. And this one was Rethymon. Rethymon. God, I'd love to visit this place. It's beautiful in terms of culture, geography, history, you name it. Crete, map display of. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At least 10 maps here. Whoops, here you go. That's Crete, right? The invasion of Crete, Heraklion map. Right there. Hold on. And here. Beautiful graphics. This is a little mini map. And it is Sfakia. I'm defaulting to my native Greek here. Yeah, I do speak Greek. Superb alignment of the counters here. Everybody see that? There you go. I'm working with my computer camera, not my iPhone. Grand Tactical Series Rules of Play, version 2.0. I think there might be another version up and around. I just love it so far. Based on what I see, by looks alone, well done. Really well done. Really well done. Castelli map. Little map. Castelli. I'll have to do an inventory later. See if I got everything. So far, nothing looks like it's repeating itself. I guess this is the Axis and some ally stuff. Look at that. Doink. Right there. Georgiopolis map. A little bit larger, a little bit more heavier. There you go. This is a scenario card. The Rethymon scenario card. The Heraklion scenario card. So it's a matter of general records tracks, and I don't see the OB anywhere. It's probably the OB is probably written in the scenario booklets or in the rule books. More counters. There you go. And the Malami, the map, and it's pretty thick. It's very thick, actually. These are probably some admin counters. So we have here light barrage, suppressed counters. The art is simply outstanding. Grand Tactical Series 2.0 rule summary. Very, very, very handy. Direct and opportunity flowchart. Whoa. So there's a lot of player aids in here. Yep. This is what I'm used to, guys. Look. This is what I'm used to. My pocketbook. I've been playing a lot of this lately. And my rat charts from Le Franc-Tireur. And terrain effects chart. And chart tables. Great. What do we got here? Cohesion hit and IP, light barrage, assault, counter. More maps. Naval support box, and this is another Rethymon map. rally, power drops, and cohesion hits again. New Zealand, 2nd New Zealand Division. Briggs Division. Reinforcements due to arrive. Artillery, part count, contents, roadblock, divisional trucks, Kampfgruppe leader. There you go. Flieger Division, Luftsturmregiment. There you go. Crete Force with Major General Bernard Freyberg. He did not run away, he walked. There's a blank. And there's a Heraklion small map. Again, some administrative counters. See? There you go. And this is terrain effects chart. Again. Pretty interesting. When I was at McGill studying, actually I was studying political science, but I also did some history courses. I did a history of World War II course, and my essay had to do, one of my essays that I had to write was whether luck was involved, whether luck is a factor in combat. And I chose to quite naively say no, it's not. And what actually happened here in the Battle of Crete is the Germans anticipated a very easy victory, and it was anything but that. They figured that most of the natives were against the king of Greece at the time. Therefore, they would readily accept the German and Italian forces as liberators, and in fact they didn't. And the local population always was armed, always is. They didn't take too kindly to the German paratroops raining in on their parade. The Allies had a unit of Maori there, and the Maori were or always were great warriors, similar to the Cretans. Crete has never been subjugated to was never subjugated to occupation and to yeah, it was never subject to an occupation by any enemy force, really. They always kept themselves free, in part because the entire population, or most of the population, is armed. Heavy believers in gun ownership. So the Germans were in for a big surprise. And even throughout the occupation of Crete by the Axis forces, there was a great amount of resistance, to the effect that they were able to effectively capture a German general, and also the Allies were able to move to and from Crete quite fluidly as well. There was a very strong resistance movement there. I'm looking forward to playing a couple of games, perhaps Solitaire, or at least reading the rule book. So far I am, like I said before, preoccupied with ASL. It takes up a lot of my time. We'll see how things go, and maybe I can bring about a little video how to play this game, and perhaps do a couple of turns either on Vassal or an actual map board. So I'm looking forward to hopefully enjoying this game in the near future and bringing you more information about it. I hope you enjoyed this video as always, and if you liked it, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. I'm so awkward in front of the camera. Take care. Bye.